How to connect Figma to Lovable. So information pretty much made by official Lovable. So you can now export Figma designs directly to Lovable using builders.io's native integration. So it's pretty much a sort of integration. So there's no devs needed, and the guide will show you how to construct your design, export it, and turn it into a full stack app. So first is to open the builder.io plugin in Figma, which is how you will start the integration process. So install and open the plugin, just search for builder.io and then install the actual tool. And then ensure you have the builder.io plugin installed in your Figma workspace. You can find it in the Figma plugins menu and navigate to your design in Figma and select the area you want to export. Then just choose your export mode. Once the plugin is open, select between easy mode or precise mode. So once you've chosen for the map components, if the plugin detects new components, use the map feature to define their roles in the export process. Then just export your design. So view code in Builder, seamlessly import design into builder.io for further editing, and then you can open in Lovable, which is the one you'll use. So to be continued, which is iterating in Lovable. Now that the initial export from Figma to Lovable has been successfully completed, it's pretty much time to start iterating directly in Lovable to refine and expand the project. So use prompts to make improvements. So start by describing what changes or enhancements you'd like to see in your project. So for example, these. So preview your changes, use the spinning up review if you'd like, and ensure your modifications align with your design goals and maintain pixel perfect accuracy. Then just integrate back-end functionality. If your project requires back-end features, connect Lovable to Silverbase or other supported platforms using the Silverbase menu at the top right. Then you can just pretty much test and deploy. So once satisfied, deploy the project and share it for feedback and iterate further based on feedback to refine the experience. But that's pretty much how you connect both Figma to Lovable. So hopefully this video does help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.